Have you ever wondered how to prevent ice dams and snow buildup on your roof? Well, you're not alone. It's a common concern, especially when the winter season rolls around. So without further ado, here are some practical tips to help you avoid this icy problem. Firstly, ensure your attic is well insulated. Heat escaping from your home is one of the main culprits. A well-insulated attic can prevent the snow on your roof from melting and refreezing, which is what creates an ice dam. Secondly, make sure your attic is well ventilated. A cool attic helps keep the roof temperature down and prevents the snow from melting and refreezing. Ideally, the temperature in your attic should be close to the outside temperature to minimize the risk of ice dams. Thirdly, consider installing a roof rake. This handy tool allows you to safely remove snow from your roof without climbing a ladder. Remember, it's crucial to remove the snow before it has a chance to melt and refreeze. Fourthly, consider installing heating cables along the roof's edge. These cables create channels for water to flow down, preventing the formation of ice dams. However, keep in mind, this is more of a temporary solution and may not be suitable for all homes. Lastly, regular maintenance is key. Clearing your gutters and downspouts of leaves and other debris can help ensure water flows freely off your roof. This reduces the chance of water backing up and creating an ice dam. So, to recap, prevent ice dams and snow buildup on your roof by ensuring your attic is well insulated and well ventilated. Consider using a roof rake or installing heating cables, and don't forget regular maintenance. With these tips in mind, you're well on your way to a winter free of ice dams and snow buildup. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. So, take these steps today and give yourself peace of mind for the coming winter season. This has been your practical guide to preventing ice dams and snow buildup on roofs. Stay frost-free and have a great day.